Have you ever wondered why fennel seeds are offered in Indian restaurants after a meal? Picture this: a crisp, refreshing burst of flavor that not only acts as a palate cleanser but also carries a host of health benefits. This is the charm of fennel seeds, a common practice in various cultures around the world. From the aromatic streets of India to the rustic kitchens of Italy, these tiny seeds pack a punch. But why? What makes them so special? Stay tuned to uncover the mystery behind these flavorful seeds. Fennel seeds, a common ingredient in your kitchen, but do you know what they could do to your health? Now let's take a closer look at these tiny powerhouses of flavor and health benefits. Fennel seeds, scientifically known as Feniculum vulgare, are native to the Mediterranean region, but they have found their way into kitchens and traditional medicine practices around the world. These seeds are small, but they pack a punch. With their sweet, slightly licorice-like flavor, they have been used to spice up dishes from curries to pastries. But fennel seeds offer more than just a unique flavor. They are rich in potent antioxidants and bioactive compounds, including anethole, limonene, and quercetin, which have been linked to a variety of health benefits. Their nutritional profile is equally impressive, boasting a high content of dietary fiber, vitamins, and minerals. For centuries, fennel seeds have been used in traditional medicine. Ayurveda, the ancient Indian system of medicine, hails them as a remedy for digestive problems, respiratory ailments, and even eye disorders. In Chinese medicine, they are used to aid digestion and alleviate symptoms of bloating and gas. But the question remains, what happens when you eat fennel seeds every day? As we dive deeper into this topic, we'll explore the potential health benefits and risks associated with daily consumption of these intriguing seeds. So stay tuned as we continue to unravel the mysteries of fennel seeds. Imagine a seed that could potentially boost your health in numerous ways. That's right, we're talking about fennel seeds. These tiny, fragrant seeds have been used in traditional medicine for centuries, and for good reason. Their health benefits are as varied as they are impressive, and we're going to dive into some of them right now. Let's start with digestion. Many of us have experienced the discomfort of bloating, constipation, or indigestion. Fennel seeds can help. They contain anethole, a compound that relaxes the muscles in your gastrointestinal tract. This can help food pass through more smoothly, reducing discomfort and promoting regularity. Next up is inflammation. Chronic inflammation can lead to a host of health problems, from heart disease to arthritis. Fennel seeds are packed with antioxidants, substances that help your body fight off harmful free radicals. These free radicals can cause inflammation, so by consuming fennel seeds regularly, you're helping your body keep inflammation at bay. And speaking of heart health, fennel seeds can play a role there too. They're a good source of fiber, which can help lower your body's levels of bad LDL cholesterol. Lower cholesterol levels mean a lower risk of heart disease, so adding fennel seeds to your diet is a tasty way to do your heart a favor. But the benefits don't stop there. Fennel seeds have been linked to improved eye health thanks to their high content of vitamin A, a nutrient vital for good vision. They're also a source of iron, which your body needs to produce red blood cells and keep your energy levels up. So, the next time you're in the spice aisle, don't overlook the humble fennel seed. It's a small package with a big punch when it comes to health benefits. But like any good thing, too much fennel can also have its downsides. While fennel seeds are packed with benefits, consuming them in excess might not be a great idea. Now let's talk about the flip side, the potential risks and side effects of consuming too much fennel seeds. You see, like most things in life, moderation is key. Yes, fennel seeds are a powerhouse of nutrients and health benefits, but an overdose can lead to some unexpected and unwanted effects. Firstly, fennel seeds are known to have a strong effect on the estrogen levels in the body. This means that people with hormone-sensitive conditions such as breast cancer, ovarian cancer, uterine fibroids, and endometriosis should be cautious. Consuming fennel seeds in excess could potentially interfere with the treatment of these conditions. Secondly, fennel seeds may interact with certain medications. If you are on any medication, it's always a good idea to consult with your healthcare provider before incorporating fennel seeds into your diet. Now let's talk about pregnancy. While fennel seeds have been used for centuries to combat morning sickness, they should be used with caution during pregnancy. High doses of fennel seeds have been linked to uterine contractions, which could potentially lead to premature labor. So if you're expecting, it's best to consult with your healthcare provider before reaching for that jar of fennel seeds. Lastly, overconsumption of fennel seeds can lead to allergic reactions in some individuals. These can range from mild skin reactions to more severe issues, such as difficulty breathing. So, While fennel seeds are undoubtedly a boon for our health, it's also important to be aware of the potential downsides. Remember, the key is in balance and moderation. Now that you know the good and the bad, how much fennel should you consume? Let's explore that in our next segment. So, how much is too much when it comes to fennel seeds? It's a question that has been on the minds of many who have discovered the myriad of health benefits these little seeds offer. Like any good thing, too much can potentially tip the balance from beneficial to harmful. Let's delve into the specifics of the right dose of fennel seeds. The recommended daily intake of fennel seeds varies based on numerous factors, such as your age, sex, and overall health status. However, a general guideline suggests that a teaspoon of fennel seeds per day is a safe and effective amount for an adult. That's about 2 grams if you want to get technical. Now, this doesn't mean you should start eating a teaspoon of fennel seeds in one go. It's always best to start small and gradually increase your intake. For instance, you could start by sprinkling a few seeds on your salad or adding them to your tea. As your body gets accustomed to it, you can increase your intake to reach the recommended dose. But remember, even though fennel seeds are natural and packed with nutrients, they are not devoid of side effects. Consuming too much can lead to allergic reactions, skin sensitivities, and even interactions with certain medications. That's why it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating any new food into your diet, especially in large quantities. Incorporating fennel seeds into your diet isn't about reaching a specific quota. It's about adding a dash of flavor and a sprinkle of health benefits to your meals. You can add them to your soups, stews, and casseroles, or use them as a spice in your cooking. They can also be a great addition to your baking, adding a unique twist to your breads and pastries. Remember, the goal is not to stuff yourself with fennel seeds, but to incorporate them into your diet in a balanced and enjoyable way. So don't stress over the exact numbers. Instead, focus on enjoying the unique flavor and health benefits they bring to your table. Remember, moderation is key when it comes to fennel seeds. Now you know, fennel seeds are more than just a flavorful addition to your meals. They pack a punch, don't they? This tiny seed is a powerhouse of nutrients and health benefits, delivering a significant impact on our bodies when consumed regularly. Let's quickly recap what we've unpacked today. We discovered the fascinating world of fennel seeds, their origin, their taste, and their uses in various cuisines around the world. We delved into the numerous health benefits these seeds offer. But as with all things, moderation is key. While these seeds are beneficial, overconsumption can lead to potential side effects. We've discussed the flip side of fennel seeds, addressing the potential risks and side effects associated with excessive consumption. It's crucial to remember that while fennel seeds can supplement a healthy lifestyle, they're not a magic bullet and should be consumed as part of a balanced diet. We also talked about the right dose of fennel seeds. Remember, a little goes a long way. A teaspoon or so a day is sufficient to reap the benefits without risking any adverse effects. It's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional if you're considering making any significant changes to your diet. Wrapping up, fennel seeds are a simple, yet powerful addition to our daily diets. They're a testament to the fact that good things indeed come in small packages. So the next time you're cooking, sprinkle some fennel seeds for that extra flavor and health boost. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more health insights. And don't go away just yet, we have more intriguing health topics lined up for you. Click on the next video to continue your health journey with us.